Market update in 3 minutes, guys. We have a few important topics early in the week here, and markets seemingly start with falling price sentiment. First up is XRP. Ripple had recently kind of received upside motivation. The lawsuit in the US seems over. With that, downside motivation might have been limited. However, the market seems to follow now what is the big picture, and that's further risk of sentiment. Tariffs in the US brewing. Economic market meltdown. Well, negative sentiment in US markets, and with that the crypto space following US technology indices, and that's clearly what Ripple can basically see, or what Ripple's faces right now. And the all-time high, and that's the one here, had kind of been lasting so far. Recent high points and basic support area here is basically causing the markets to weaken further. Next line up is this 157 area, and then we talk 120 whatsoever. Frankie is gonna be short here. Downside motivation kind of being the key takeaway here in this market. Why is Ripple so bearish? The Nasdaq is one of the leading indicators here showing motivation, negative motivation for this index, for Ripple's market momentum. The index here, the Nasdaq technology index, basically last week ended kind of quite negative. Initially, what we thought is that the market might appreciate off that support area, the 50 moving average. Instead, what the market was doing basically is starting to depreciate, and now that's exactly how we see it. Downside motivation might be due to continue. 16,000, 16,500. The line in descent. Microsoft closing lower, Apple ending last week at lower levels. So in general, the market momentum is just quite weak here, and with that we see that this market motivation in general might be something we could see early in April, maybe higher. End of April, maybe lower price motivation here. The market, the Nasdaq, seemingly just weakening further. Last but not least, silver, worth a shout. The silver market has not really done anything bad. Instead, dollar weakness causing silver to move higher. Silver basically just about to break beyond the recent high point here. The recent, not all time, but the recent high point at 34.70. If that line in the sand, that resistance area, can fall, the upside might continue. Dollar weakness is what we would expect to last and cause an uplift like a Tesla rocket, where Tesla weakens, but the silver market, and let's see how the economic demand is going to be, might strengthen somehow further. Will silver hence follow up with what gold has been doing? Gold rocking higher, and silver. Guys, stay tuned and focus up. 3 minutes are gone. See you then. Take care, everyone. Ciao, ciao, and stay tuned, stay focused on our next updates.